Okay, boys and girls, today in your phonics word study lesson, we looked at words that have a double vowel sound in them followed by a consonant letter. For example, the word feed, F-E-E-D, has a double vowel E-E in the middle. We also looked at words that have a double O in them, like good, O-O in the middle of good says and O-O in the middle of room says oo. Today you're going to do a word sort, and on your mat you're going to read the words on the right and find the word, after you read the word, find which word it would go under. Does it make the sound like in good, or does it make the oo sound like in room? So for example, we have the word look. Look says so it has the same sound that we hear in the word good. So you will take this word and you will drag it to this side of the screen under good. So good and look have the same vowel sound. You will continue doing this for the remaining words on your word sort. Thank you.